Hi everyone, we're here in Yodobashi-Camera in Japan. It's a cool department store that literally sells everything, and look what I've stumbled into. We've got airplanes here, so you know we can't not make a video on this, so I'll just kind of show you what they've got. These are like the handmade models, if you like. You just buy these kits, these boxes, and inside are like cool plastic pieces that you break off and carefully glue together, and then you have to paint them. And it takes a horrendously long time, so I tend to not do this, but some people enjoy it, and you can end up getting some cool detailed models here. So, you know, we've got some models on demonstration. It's a ANA 787. It's really well made. I bet a professional's done this. It's very shiny. It's all varnished and polished. I wish I had this. I think the quality of these models ends up being like on par with the die-cast models you can get, but we have a A320 here as well. Can't tell if that's like the A320neo or the old one, but looks like one of the wingtips have broken off. You can see the wingtip there, but on the other side the little winglet is not there, so small mishap, but never mind. Still looks pretty good. But yeah, so on sale they've got some of these models as well. You can buy ANA, Peach Airlines, Japan Airlines. Japan Airlines are my favourite. They've got military planes as well. Like this whole aisle is, you know, military, and you know, all behind me lots of different models. But like we're here to look at the commercial planes, so you know, got a Boeing 777, 777-300, one of the best planes, 787s, 767s, you know, all sorts of planes. And if we pick them up, they're not too heavy, but that's because it's all like plastic and you put them together. But yeah, pretty cool. So I just thought I'd quickly demonstrate that. I'm not going to buy any of these because they just take too long to make, as I already said, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, just seeing what there is in Japan, what for sale. But yeah, see you in another video.